In this video, let me show you how to change to dark mode on MG MS6 infotainment system. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to swipe to the left until you see the settings. Let's just tap the settings icon. Now you've got access to whole list of settings. It's important to be in the first tab, which is the general, and here you've got system theme. So this settings changes the background colors of your center screen. You can choose dark mode to make the screen black, which is comfortable for your eyes at night, or switch to light mode to make the menus bright white, so they are easily to see in the direct sunlight. So it depends on your preferences. As you can see, I've got right now set up to light, but I can change it to dark just by using this switcher, and for my opinion the dark looks much more better, and of course it's also better for your eyes, so let me use the dark mode in this case. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.